Ala! 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 Good evening. Good evening to all. Oh my God. Good evening. Hi. Good evening, Filipinas. The Philippines. Rainy here and fall. Alright. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi guys. Good evening, guys. How are you? I'm fine, guys. How about you? How are you? Thank you for joining. Thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Sorry. No. Ta-ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for the 4 million here na. 4 million. Thank you so thumbs up. Thank you so much. I know that you want from me. Thank you. Who's here? Who's watching here? Tell me who's Tell me who's know that you want for me. Gotta wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees. Gotta miss a misery, love's company. I know that you want for me. Hello everyone. I know that you want for me. Thank you for the thumbs up. Where are you going now? Fernando Corredo Carmona. Hi, Fernando. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, I really appreciate it. Thanks. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you for the 18 people here. Oh my God. Good job. Hi, hello. Good evening, Filipinas. I'm from Philippines. Filipina. How about you guys? Tahimik. Sana'y di magmadin. Dati kong nalat sa magtipang bata sa piling nanay. Aw, 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 aw. Ah! What? Jumana Halil. Hi. Jumana Ha. Jumana Hal. Jaraba. 9186. Ang hirap naman bigkasin. May gulay. Hello. Where are you from, guys? Where are you from? Jumanahal. Jumanahal. A different name. Where are you from? Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. 15 people here. How are you? Dun, tadadun. Tik, tik, tak, tik, tak, tik, tak. Naglalaro. Bakit mo tahimik? Can you speak, guys? What you want me to do? What you want? What do you want? What you want? What do you want? After all, you didn't die. I'm still the one. Something that you knew. You told me you love me if I never change. Welcome me into your arms again. Come on in out of the rain. Hey, hey, just a place. And your heart's to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring when you call my name. Come on in out of the rain. It's a place. And your heart's to love me again. Kung hindi niyo pag-on na para sa'yo, huwag kang dahil ganyan ang buhay sa mundo. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the 5 million here. Ay, down, dancing and the calling inside out. Strangers to this feeling that to go. What I should do. Let's go crazy. Had to do. Oh, yes. Tell me who is that girl that fucking... Aray ko. Ay, nimod mo. Ha? Uyag ini? Nimod mo. Baradi. Baradi. Oh! Lag. Ito. Jot. Malabo naman. Kasi pagsabi. Already tired. Sniper. Yeah. Oh no. Uy, burang pala. Todo mo pa ng pauran. Dili ka pwede mag-ano kay ma-stop ka. Mabuutong ka pa noon. Oh my God. So early. Yeah. So early. For you, too early. Here, not early. Not so early. Because morning here, here is night. Different times. We are different times. Not too early to lay down. Here already 8 o'clock. Past 8 o'clock. Ta-da-da. Oh my God. Oh my God, Diba na? You will fall asleep. No. Sa likod. Wala ka saksakal nito. Kaya saan sa masakso? Uy! Tara. Hi, for cheap people joining. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining the live. Ito, virtual naman. Iwan yung logistics. Rain here all day. Same here, raining here. Raining here now at afternoon. Uy. So pala. Marbo kung kapag maano ka lang na. I-delete ko lugod yun dun, ha? Nagpauran ka, insert on ka na. Atong diri ka pwede mag... Tomorrow, tomorrow will be nice. Okay. Sabi na isip na naman ka na. Sabi na. Yes, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Hi. Oh my God, ang sakit ng kapa ako. Oh my God.
Yan. Ang basket. Ila. Uy! Ila ko di ako sabi didi. Di ako sabi. Ay! Lalo naman.
You have yawned 7 times already.
Ila wala akong pagmagay. Ila wala. Ano naman?
Thank you for 5 people.
Ano naman?
8. You counted. You count na ano.
Ang hakit. Ganito niya ito. Pagpulis.
Just waiting for you to shut your eyes. No. Maybe you need to talk to me here. That's why it can't be boring. Because I need to speak. If no calls, I can no need to speak. What should I say? I always say thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh. Oh, wow. You speak and you still fall asleep. What you doing? What are you doing today? What are you plan doing today? Ayan na pagsaksakan. Ayan na pagsaksakan. I told Cynthia you're gonna get a cake. Oh my God. Okay, tomorrow I will get. Okay, tomorrow. Because I need to with my father for eye. It helps him to what? Be happy. He smile. And I will send more Monday. Oh, thank you, my team. Thank you so much. One
Ah, ano ba?
$1. Oh my God. Thank you. At least. Oh my God.
Ah, pinuwang.
Don't spend it
Ah,
in all one place.
patay ka na.
Oh my God.
Uy, pistol.
Thank you. It should last you for a week. Oh my God.
Honest ako ito. Honest. Ay, aray ko. Baterya na naman ito. Baterya na. Uy,
Hi, ate. Hi, Jenica Got My Tan. Hello. Magandang gabi.
aray ko.
Okay, I will be generous and give $2. Thank you. Thank you, Tim. My team, thank you so much. Oh my God. Ang ganda niyo po. Ah, salamat. Thank you, Jenica.
Hindi na niya.
Thank you for the 14 people here. Thank you so much. Kenya, English. Jenica, can you speak English? Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Uy, gamit. Gamit ko. Hindi ko ito nilang.
And if you want to take you should have done. Wrong spelling. Yeah. Wrong spelling is wrong. And if you want it, you take it. You should understand. And if you hold it, take it. Guys, come talk and I'm in good mood. Come and talk. Ouch. Come and talk, guys. Oh my God. Wait. Tim is in good mood. Oh my God. Talk, guy. Can you speak, guys?
Ah, sarap.
Maybe I need to Cheryl make love to Thor mattress again. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Aray ko. Sorry.
Ah, nalang.
Ticket. Churu chu chu cha. Hi, Johnny. Father. 78 7890 7890. Hello, Donnie.
Ah, nalang.
It's day. Good morning. America. Welcome back, Donnie, from Tim. Thank you, Donnie, for joining here again. Thank you so much. If you want, take it. Oh my god. Kunding ako. Thank you for the 9 people here. Thank you so much. Oh, oh maligaw man. And if you want it, say it. Could I turn out this time? If you want, Rodrigo David. Hello, hola, Cheryl. Hi, Rodrigo David. Hola, hola, sa bola. I'm fine. How about you, Rodrigo? How's your health? My health is healthy. My health is good. How about ya? How's the weather? It's raining here in Kansas. Good weather in morning and afternoon. And afternoon, raining. Start raining. How's weather there in Philippines? Raining here at night. Yeah, I'm good too. That's great. After a long time, do you remember me or not? Are you a Rodrigo from Brazil? Rodrigo from Brazil? I'm right. I think you are. Rodrigo David. After a long no girl. No. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I forgot. Sorry. Jamai Magna. Hi, Jamai Magnus. You really forgot me already. Yeah, I'm sorry. I have a lot of I have so many forgot. I have a memory loss. Me originally from UK, but living here in Spain. I have told you before. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, David. Nice to meet you again. It's okay, no problem. I understand. So many viewers are coming, so it's difficult to remember everyone, right? Yeah, that's right. Thank you, David. Thank you, Rodrigo, David. His first name is David. Okay. His first name is David. Hi, David. Thank you for joining here, David. Nice to meet you too. Thank you, David. Yeah, bro. So, ouch. Thank you for joining. That's it. Bro, David, what's happening in your life? Very long time no here. Hi, Jemima. Jemima Magnas. Hello. How's your life going there in the Philippines? Life here in the Philippines is pretty good. Pretty good. Where are you going to put out some short video to get your views? To get your views. When are you going? Maybe I need to tonight or tomorrow. I will, because I'm busy all day. That's why no no time to make a video.
Ito.
Lazy. That's why I need to do the live to earn more watch hours and for views. Yeah, I was busy with my work. That's why. Ah, okay. What is your work again, David? I'm from the Philippines also. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Jamai Malgnas. Nice to meet you, Dan. Nice to meet you also. Thank you, guys. I have own family business of car truck service center garage. Ah, okay. Uh, it's David, not David. David, David. What is that? Sorry, because my accent is not good or pronounce it correctly. But David. It's okay na. It's okay na. Hey everyone, it's Sally. Hi, OG. Hi, OG. If you're happy and you know that, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, if you clap your hands. Cheryl, I love chicken Alfredo. So what? It's okay, bro. No problem. Thank you, David. Thank you, David. Read it right. Okay. David. 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 Oh my god, it's complicated for David. Maybe I need to pronounce Rodrigo. I like to eat apples and banana. I love it too, Cheryl. I love banana. Like my employer's name. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you, David. You know Filipino? Filipino. 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 Hey pare, pakinggan nyo ko. Ako ang tunay na Pilipino. How's your family members? My family members, we have 9 siblings, 4 brothers, and we have 4 brothers, and we have 5 sisters. Wow, big family. We have a big family. Yep, yep. What? Oh my God, a huge family. Yes, huge family. Mm. But my sisters and brothers still live a different place. What's your number and your family? Me, I'm a 7. Number 7. 600 niece and nephews. No, not 600. Oh my god. Not like that. 600? Okay. How old are you? Me? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. I'm 40 years old. 40. You guys, how old are you? That's the last count I did. I got 600.
600.
I got 600. Oh wait, I'm 13.
Aray ko.
So how's your work there in Philippines? My work here as a volunteer, government employee as volunteer. I subscribe. Thank you, Jomai Malgnas, for subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless us. I like older women. Hi, Tim. All government employee, yeah. But volunteer. Volunteer. Okay. How old are you, Rodrigo? Do you have a happy family, having a kids? Beautiful and handsome kids? Yeah, but she doesn't get paid. She is a volunteer. Yeah, I'm a volunteer. Multi-talented girl you are, MC. Rodrigo. Bye. Jamai Malgnas. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining here. Bye. See you later. 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 I'm not married. Why? How old are you? Oh, maybe
Kaya
not
ko
yet
yan.
married. Jemima, come back again. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you, Jemima Agnes. Thank you so much. Are you 7 years older than me? You are seven. Oh, okay. If I'm a seven, you are 33 years old. Yeah, 33. 33 years old. That's great, yeah, bro. Why is this single? Oh, oh, busy at life, busy at work. Maybe at the age of 30,
7.
it's the age of that you need to create to make a family while still young. Cause I'm focused on my business. That's why. Ah, okay, that's great. Why early? Yeah, because uh, if late having a baby is not. I think I don't know. It's not good. Is that your real picture on your profile? I always going to gym and follow diet. Okay, that's good. Zabin. 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 Yeah, but then who's in my profile? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up, my live stream. Thank you so much. Mm, no.
Auto kita.
Kinda wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees. Just a picture showing your abs. Y- I can't see clear because it's a small circle. I can't zoom. Yeah, it's cause of gym effect. Ah, okay. You gym a lot. Ihot-hot mo na yung nasipon mo. Babalik-balik mo pa mo. Sabi ko, diri mo pag i-charge. Nag-ano. I work out regularly. Regularly. Ah, that's great. Good job, Rodrigo. Exercise most important thing. Okay, that's good. No, you have to go to his channel to see bigger pictures. Can't I can't do that now because I'm in the live. Gabriel, dito ka na. I can't remember when you called. Thoughts of you. I swear I can't imagine it in someone so near. What did you say? Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Do you never need you time? Sa'yo mo yan?
Ha?
Sa'yo mo yung nagtatagtag?
Ano sa ito? Pumapit.
Yeah, you see. Unbelievable. Okay. What okay means? Nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko dito ka mag-ano. What okay means? Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for joining. See you next live. Bye.